friends, my name is Suraj and I'm from Suraj Hacks. Okay, today we are going to talk about VPN. What is a VPN? You can see that I've written here, hello friends, we are going to talk about VPN. So of course we are going to talk about VPN. What is a VPN? VPN, it stands for Virtual Private Network. So what is a virtual private network? Virtual private network means something where you can connect virtually. It means that you're not basically in that position, but you belong somewhere else and you correspond to some other position. For example, you are using a website that is not available in India. So what do you basically do when a website is not available in India? Then you try different sources, but you are yet unable to connect to that website. So what you have to do is just you have to use a VPN and connect to that website. How does that work? Okay, so there are so many different kinds of VPN methods. You can use siphon, then you can use your own VPN methods. You can create VPN. There are so many methods. So what does siphon do? It places you it places you to a virtual place, like you belong to a country named India and show yourself at Netherlands. So this is how you can secure your data, you can secure your location, and you can browse anonymously. So let me show you how to use a VPN. Let's go to the VPN. I'm using Siphon. So what you have to do is you need to download Siphon. I've given the link in description. You can check that, and you can see that connect via fastest country and Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria. There are so many country names. You can select any. I'll go for fastest country because it gives me the faster network. Then you need to go to connect. And let me tell you that currently I'm in India. Let's see what country do I get connected to. IP founder. It's this website is its own propaganda which shows that where you exactly. According to the IP which VPN has changed, presently I'm at Brussels capital, Belgium. So you can see that I'm a resident of India. I've been browsing from India, but yet my location sourced from Belgium. This is how you browse anonymously and get yourself secured. Thank you guys. That's all for today. Okay, bye 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 bye. Do comment, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you.